Hey team, today I'm out in Roswell at the Parks at Tower Ridge. This is a pre-established neighborhood instead of my typical new constructions. Roswell just has some elegant builds. This thing's from 2006 and still feels brand new. So I wanted to give you guys some options that are under $1 million in Roswell, so stay tuned. Hello team, today we are out in Roswell yet again. This time we are not going to be touring a new construction. However, I wanted to get you guys an idea of what you can afford for under $1 million. So we're going to check out this epic home. It was built in 2006. This thing has, I want to say, 7 bedrooms, 5.5 baths. You're sitting at 5,000 square feet. Fully finished basement. Let's get inside. As you see, you have a 2-car garage, separate stalls, modern black and white finishings. You have some sturdy columns that are in place. And you come into your foyer entrance. To your right, you would see a formal dining room. To your left, you would have your sitting room, additional space. Multifunctional, could even be an office for the right person. And then we come into this well-lit living room, open floor concept. Let's get some lights on here in the kitchen for y'all, huh? How do I manage that? Well, if I could find the light switches, I would turn them on for you guys. Nice metallic backsplash. You would have a gas stove. Lovely granite countertops. Beautiful accents on the ceilings. Originally, they had a sound system hooked up, but it's been uninstalled since. Elegant fireplace, doesn't seem to have any cracking, with the light finish natural hardwood floors. Check it out, guys. This place is nice. Built in 2006. I have a lot of clients who refuse to even purchase new constructions. I'm going to be honest. Some of these new construction builders are being hit with lawsuits. Do your research before buying any new constructions. Make sure it is a credible builder. Recently, D.R. Horton was accused of a class action lawsuit for putting some of their homes together very poorly. They have denied any of those claims. Check out this half bath to a full bath. So if you have guests, they can still wash their hands while someone's using the toilet. Gotta love that. So we've counted 1 bathroom so far. Here's just an extra closet. Could be a coat closet. Could just be a cleaning closet, depending on how your life is set up. So before we go upstairs, we're gonna go outside. Check out this little porch section. Enclosed porch. For all of my people who hate mosquitoes, be prepared, because Georgia has plenty of those. Nice finished deck, very sturdy. And you don't have too much yard space on this lot, but it is fenced. So if you have a little dog or you don't want to worry about fencing the property, this could be the one for you. Definitely could be the one for you. And as you see, it has a pretty good decline there. And the reason is there is actually a basement on this lovely home. So we'll check out the basement before we head upstairs. But here you have your bar. I don't know how many of you watching are mixologists, but I can make myself a really nice tequila sunrise. Heading into the basement. A little bit darker finishes on the flooring. Still natural wood. And then they had a high-grade luxury LVP installed. Light finishes. Recessed lighting in the ceiling. This is just a nook. I mean, personally, I would turn this into like a library, maybe a sitting space, good spot to store some videos for your theater, maybe. Connection for television, great entertainment space. Let's head outside real quick. So this is down below. Now, with this being a fully finished basement, it's almost an identical layout of upstairs, which is really nice. So there's an additional bathroom down here. They have it set up similar to upstairs where you have a half bath connected to a full bath. And check this out, man. So now we've counted 3 bathrooms, really 2.5. This is a huge shower. Like, how many people can you fit in your shower? I didn't know we had shower parties these days. But you come over here, it's just a service closet for the sump pump. When you have a basement, it is a good idea to have one of those in case any water happens to get down here, you can get it out. This is a nice bonus room. If you're filming for YouTube, making any content, this would make a great office, isolated from the noise. Just got some plumbing going on over there. These walls have a nice textured finish for you guys all to see. Very stucco-like. And this is just an old closet. I'm not gonna mess with it. It does look like it may need some repairs. That's one of the small things I noticed here. And then you have another bonus room here. These don't count, in my mind, as bedrooms totally, because they don't have doors on them. They do have closets, they do have windows, and that legally makes them a bedroom. However, I would want to install some doors before I tell somebody that that's a bedroom. However, this whole basement would make a lovely in-law suite with that private access. And honestly, you could do a kitchenette or a kitchen space in the area. I'm gonna go ahead and lock this bottom door, and we're gonna head on up stairs, guys. So we're on our way up, we're on our way up, we're on our way up. And we're going. Back onto the main floor, you come around towards the kitchen, and you find access to the upstairs. 5,000 square feet. No easy task to walk for all of you. Whew, getting upstairs. Still nice hardwood finishes, and this is maybe my favorite feature. Check this out. This would be an office, guys. This is not a bedroom. This would definitely be the best office ever. I would be stoked to film videos in here and, have a library, have everything organized. Coming out the office, you go across to a bedroom. Got an attached bathroom. Could maybe use some minor updates, but certainly move-in ready as is. Walk-in closet. And all the ceilings are extremely high in this house. Which reminds me, we have to check out the garage. The garage is great. This is the laundry room. Goes another bedroom. This one's a little bit smaller. Could make a good nursery room or accommodate one of your younger children. Linen closet here. Hallway bathroom. Additional bedroom. About the same size as the one across the hall. More accommodating for a nursery or a younger child. So we're back in the hallway. Gonna do our thing and make it to the master. Everybody looks forward to the master, or primary, right? So we've got gorgeous vaulted ceilings. Plenty of lighting. Very spacious. You could definitely fit a king-size bed and a sofa. Have a nice entertainment space. You have a his and a hers linen closet. You know, back in 2006, they were honestly thinking things through a little bit better. Here's your water closet. This is a jacuzzi tub, step in, full tile finish. That's very expensive these days. And a double vanity. So here is the walk-in. Got double sections. It's a very spacious house without having too much land, right? So if you are looking for a house with very little exterior maintenance, you weren't trying to spend $1 million, this may be a great fit for you guys. Like Roswell is extremely convenient to the rest of the city. And I wouldn't say that this is a bad pick for the price point. It's coming in the 800s, and in the description, I'm gonna cut all the details for you. So just go ahead and look at the description, see if you like it. If you do, send me a message. Let's make something happen for you guys. This would be your mudroom. And then we go into the garage. Look at this garage, guys. As a car fan, all I'm seeing is lift height. You guys can put a lift in here. You can fit a motorcycle over here. Look at this. I could fit a car and like 3 motorcycles, guys. If you know anything about me, I love motorcycles, I love cars. So yeah, this is a really good house overall. Highly recommend Roswell as an area. And if you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe for other tours coming soon.